Hi everyone, it's Mercedes Sanchez from BeachweekMag.com, and as you know, summer is right around the corner and they have the best natural beauty remedies to get your skin summer ready. All you need is brown sugar, olive oil or coconut oil, and oatmeal. Also baking soda. And you'll be able to do a DIY foot scrub, a DIY lotion to heal eczema if you have eczema like me, and a do-it-yourself facial using olive oil and brown sugar. You don't want to miss it. So stick around to find out how to get summer ready using these natural beauty remedies.